Liberation Day. Waiting for a long time.
An additional 25% to punish India for continuing to buy oil from Russia.
Shitex, once Southeast Asia's textile powerhouse, has shut down, reportedly, leaving more than 10,000 workers without jobs.
The European Union is set to require imported clothing to carry a digital product passport.
Các ngành thâm dụng lao động như là dệt may, da giày đối diện với nguy cơ 70% việc làm bị thay thế bởi robot và AI trong 10 năm tới.
From new tech to new fabrics, innovations are what exhibitors are showcasing. But the question is, with all these innovations coming out, will the traditional textile industry, which provides immense job opportunities, be challenged?
2025 has truly been a year. As we wrap up 2025 and get ready to step into 2026, we realize something. Looking back isn't just about summaries, it's also how we prepare for what's next. So, welcome to our 2025 Textile Wrap-Up.
Vietnam, great negotiators, great people. They like me, I like them. The problem is they charge us 90%. We're going to charge them 46% tariff.
2025 was a year of shifts and disruption. One of the biggest changes came from new U.S. tariff policies affecting major exporting countries. For Vietnam's textile and apparel sector, this created both pressure and opportunity. With relatively stable production capacity and a favorable socio-political environment, we've clearly seen order shifts from China to Vietnam and some others. But let's be real, this shift isn't just a win. It also means higher expectations, faster delivery, stricter compliance, and stronger supply chain capabilities.
Cái hệ sinh thái logistics thông minh xanh số hiện đại và hội nhập đưa Việt Nam trở thành trung tâm dịch vụ logistics hàng đầu của khu vực Đông Nam Á và thế giới khu vực.
For Vietnamese manufacturers, 2025 wasn't just about receiving more orders. It was about stepping up to meet global standards. Since COVID-19, consumer spending habits have been completely reset. People are no longer buying in volume. They're buying more selectively, with a stronger focus on value, durability, and sustainability. This is also when the capability gap in global manufacturing became clearer than ever. From 2020 to 2023, competition was mostly about price. But in the last 2 years, it has shifted to who can deliver better, who can trace raw materials clearly, who can pass ESG audits, who can handle small, urgent, complex orders. Being cheap is no longer a competitive edge. Being capable is. It's no longer just China plus one. Brands are spreading risk by diversifying across multiple hubs. China, high-tech manufacturing, speed, strong domestic market. Vietnam, mid to high-value products, solid compliance, improving technical capability. Bangladesh, mass basics, cost-driven production. India, vertically integrated, from raw materials to finished goods. Mexico and Turkey, nearshoring hubs for the US and EU. The supply chain is not exactly moving away from China. It's becoming more balanced, more strategic, and more demanding. Major markets are rolling out stricter regulations on sustainable production and consumption. In the EU, key frameworks are moving fast. Eco-design regulation, digital product passport, extended producer responsibility. In the US, regulations around forced labor and supply chain traceability are tightening year by year. In addition, sustainability frameworks are being actively used, such as Higg Index and GHG Protocol. If companies fail to meet these requirements, products may not even be allowed to enter the market, let alone compete on branding or value. Vietnam is widely recognized for its reliability, skilled and experienced technical workforce, stable compliance and strong factory management capabilities, low political and social risk. Still, there are some structural challenges remain. Heavy reliance on imported inputs such as yarns, chemicals, and technical trims. Upstream traceability is still fragmented and not fully connected. On the positive side, Vietnam is also emerging as a promising hub for natural fabric production, with bamboo and pineapple fibers standing out. With local sourcing and vertically integrated production within Vietnam, these materials offer real potential for building more resilient and sustainable supply chains. So, what are we expecting in 2026? Three forces are shaping the new shift. Mandatory sustainability. Regulations will push brands to back every sustainability claim with verifiable, structured data. ESG is becoming the backbone of business operations to maintain market access and meet consumer expectations. Technology transformation, AI being applied across all production systems, improving automation and optimizing inventory. Blockchain and data platforms are also strengthening traceability and transparency, allowing brands and manufacturers to manage risks more effectively. Circular economy and execution. Designing garments for repair, upcycling, and recycling is becoming standard practice in order to reduce reliance on virgin resources and move toward closed-loop systems.
I believe that the steps we're taking, though of course imperfect, will help us build a new kind of fashion that doesn't come at the expense of the planet.
In conclusion, this is your list to hold on to while heading into 2026. Brands should work with partners who truly understand materials and ESG, not just those showing certificates. Suppliers need to prepare for more complex blends, functional finishes, and standardized upstream data. Manufacturers must master three core capabilities: technical problem solving, data transparency, and production flexibility. 2025 was a year of recovery. 2026 will be a year of selection.
Thank you for being part of our journey this year. We look forward to growing together in the years ahead. For now, Happy New Year and wish everyone a steady start to 2026. We will see you next time.
If you're looking for a reliable manufacturing partner in Vietnam or need consultation about the local textile market, feel free to contact us via the information below. We're always open for collaboration and sourcing support.